Load the app Pydroid 3. This is the app which can downloaded by Play Store. This app is suitable for Python 3 version, therefore try to download this app only. I recommend this app Pydroid 3. Okay. Now let us start with Python programming. On the screen you can see 3 arrows, 3 right arrows. This is the command prompt where you can give the Python commands. So without wasting time, let us start. Here I am using Python as a calculator, so let us start. Plus operator 50 plus 60 50 plus 60. I have typed this on command prompt and press enter. You can see the output 110. 100 plus 500. Enter. 600. Similarly, minus for subtraction. 400 minus 200. Output is 200. For multiplication, use star. 40 star 2. Enter here. 80. You can use brackets. For example, bracket 50 into 2 plus 100. Enter. So this is the output for this expression. Similarly, now see how to use print command. Print bracket double quote welcome to Python programming. This message should be enclosed within double quotes. Complete the bracket and press the enter. Print ten. So note down, to print a string you have to enclose the string within double quotes or single quotes. For printing number, only give that value. See again, I am going to print one message and one number. Print in bracket hello. Enter. Print 100. Enter. This is the interactive mode, means give the command and after pressing enter key you are going to see the output. Now let us see some more commands. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B, enter. Print in bracket C. So you are easily understood these commands. A equal to 10 means 10 is stored in variable A. B equal to 20, this will store value 20 in B, and C is equal to A plus B will store the sum of A and B in a variable C, and in this print C command the value of C is printed. So this is called as the interactive mode. Now the second mode is to create a program file. It is called as script mode, where you can create a program file, write your code in that file, save it, and then you can execute the file. So let us see script mode. To create a program file, you can see this file menu. Okay, with this file menu, click file. You can see these options: new file, to create a new file; second option, open, which will open the previous saved files and execute it; and these are the options: save, save as, to save the file in the computer's memory so that you can use it again and again or for future. Okay, so I am going to use the first option, new file. Okay, now the commands which we have seen are used here. Print bracket hello, bracket complete. To go to next line, press enter key. Print bracket how are you, enter. As this is the message hello or how are you are enclosed in double quotes. These are the strings. Hello is the string, how are you is the string, so it is enclosed in double quotes. If there is a value, only print 100. Okay, so now I am going to show how to save file. File, save as. I have downloaded Python interpreter in C drive, Python folder. This is Python folder. So in this folder I am going to save my file. So this is the program. For output, give any name and with extension py. So file 1.py. Save. You can see file 1.py on the toolbar. Now run the file. Run. This is the run option, and in this option this is the command run module to execute your program. So run. See, this is the output of file1.py, which is saved in Python folder. Hello, how are you? And 100. Okay. Now let us see some information about variables. So, variables, how to declare variables? See the example. Now, let us learn some more about comment. A comment starts with hash. Hash sign is written for comment. It is added with the purpose of making the source code easier for humans to understand. Means you are going to write the number of programs, but when you are going to read these programs, if you do not add comment, you cannot understand the purpose of program or the output of program. So, by reading the comment, the reader can understand what that program does. So, the comment should be added at the start, which will say the purpose of program. Now see, for large and complex software, it may require programmers to work in teams, and sometimes a program written by one programmer is required to be used or maintained by another programmer. In such situations, documentation in the form of comments are needed to understand the working of the program. So number of programmers are work for one project, so they should understand what are the programs. So for that purpose, you have to add the comment. Okay. Now try to give the commands on the Python interpreter, learn these commands, and then try to do this program. Write a Python program to find the total and percentage of 5 subject marks. Okay, Python program to find total and percentage of 5 subjects marks. For this program, I am giving the hint that you have to create 5 variables for 5 subjects. Assign some values to that variables which will hold the marks, and then using plus sign you are going to add these marks in a variable, maybe a total, and calculate the percentage using slash. Okay, try to do programs. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.